Hello everyone, welcome to Suham Healer's World. This is a general reading for Aries for the month of November 2020. So let's see what cards have to say. Alright, Aries, this is your energy for the month, that is the Ten of Cups. It shows me that you will be focusing on your family. You want happiness for your family. You want your family to do really good. You want contentment with your family. So your focus will be whole and soul on your family, and you will be able to achieve towards the happiness of your family. So moving towards the first week, the cards are Ten of Wands reversed, Ace of Swords, and the Judgment card. So this shows me that you have been working very, very hard and you really want to go somewhere, you want to achieve somewhere, you want to achieve something in your life. But unfortunately, there are so many responsibilities on you that you're not able to handle that pressure. Maybe you are working a lot, you are doing a lot to people, you have good intentions also, but sometimes what happens is because you can see things clearly, this is a good thing about you, that you know if I am going to behave like this is how the result is going to be, and you care for your family and you can see things clearly. So this basically, maybe when the other people are not able to see things clearly, it makes you frustrated because you want your family to be safe and secure. So that might make you a little blunt sometimes, that might irritates you, and you might become very abrupt, very harsh sometimes. So you have to take care of your words, but otherwise you have very good intentions, and don't worry because I think you are leading your family or your workplace, wherever you are leading them, and your work, be it other, like other people might find it little difficult to deal with, but whatever you are doing is with good intentions, and ultimately you are going to get the benefit of it. Your wishes will come true, your family will be safe, and the justice will be given. You will be happy of whatever you are waiting for since a very long time has been achieved. So that is going to make you very happy. Before moving towards the second week, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the monthly updates. Alright, the second week cards are Justice, the Fool, and Two of Cups. So amazing second week. You've got Judgment here, and now you've got Justice. So everything will be in your favor. You are doing good. You have been a good person, and whatever results will come will be in your favor. You will get what you deserve. You might also start with something new in the second week. It could be some new feeling, it could be some new job or some new path, something which will be like, which will require your leap of faith, and you will take that. And this can also be, I feel it can also be related to a relationship. This is going to make you feel, maybe you are attracted to somebody, maybe in past you are not sure whether to go for this relationship or not, but I think in this week you will get the confidence to just believe your heart and just go for it. And trust me, it is going to be a very good decision of yours. You'll be happy taking this decision. This thing is going to give you a lot of happiness. This person, if you're trying for this person is your soulmate. If you're trying for a partnership in business, this person is going to give you a lot of benefits. You have mutual interest, mutual understanding, mutual love, mutual care for each other. So it's amazing. Next week, cards are Nine of Pentacles, Reverse, Strength, and Eight of Wands. So amazing, great cards, Aries, because this shows me that you are a very generous person. You have been giving to people, and but by this week you might feel that just giving to people has not been enough. So you would want to save something for yourself, because when you give to people you expect, and when you don't get that thing back, you feel sorry for yourself. So here you might think of saving for yourself, keeping things to yourself, which is going to give you a lot of lot of strength. You will be happy and content within yourself. You will be very powerful person. Some internal strength will be there which will motivate you or guide you to you will help others also. You will nurture others, but it is going to be in a different way. Like the other person might feel that you're not even helping them, but yes, you will be helping them in some or the other way. Like sometimes how parents help us, like we might feel that they are not listening to us, they are not understanding what we are going through, but ultimately whatever they say is for our benefit, whatever they do is for our good. So this kind of energy I see within you in this third week. And all these strength and thinking about the good of others in a different way, by not actually giving them what they want, but actually thinking about their future and giving them something which will benefit them, is going to be your strength. Plus this will also lead you somewhere. You will be moving in a very fast pace. You will be doing something, you will be busy, you might even receive a good news from somewhere, maybe from a relative, or a person might come, maybe a family member, or a friend of yours, maybe, whom you have not seen for years, and that person might get a good news for you, or you might have some communication with someone who is which is going to be a very positive communication. So it is also again a very very good week for you. Moving towards the fourth week, the cards are King of Swords reversed, Six of Cups, and Five of Cups reversed. So again, I think you have clarity. Your I think again, like here it is Eight of Wands and this is Six of Cups. Both show me that someone from past might come. Something related to your past is going to give you a lot of happiness, lot of good news, and an opportunity to grow. You are like a you will be like a coconut, I think, in this month, who is very hard from outside but very soft from inside. So that kind of energy I see, that you want to help people, you help people, but they might perceive it as you being little strict to them, little rude, but actually that is not the case. Whatever you are doing is for their own good. So keep it up, Aries. These are like amazing cards for me. I think your November is going to be a good month for you. Still, if you have any doubt, please write to us. And if you want to see your daily readings, please follow me on Instagram. The links are given in the description box. And good luck, Aries. Bye bye.